And convicted deputy killer Michael Astorga is denied a new trial. The next step has the family of Deputy James McGrain worried. Good afternoon, I'm Kim Baez. A deputy killer today tried to convince a judge to grant him a new trial. He didn't get what he wanted, but this is not over yet. Here's News 13's Maria Medina.
And Kim, last month, the Bernalillo County jury found Michael Astorga guilty of murdering Deputy James McGrain Jr. This morning, Astorga argued he did not get a fair trial.
Convicted murderer Michael Astorga smiled at his family, took a seat, then listened as his attorney argued that he deserved a second chance.
The state had major problems. The evidence in this case was insufficient.
Gary Mitchell told the judge prosecutors failed to prove Astorga killed Deputy McGrain Jr. 4 years ago during his last traffic stop into Harris.
They called no one, not a single witness, to put him there.
Mitchell also argued his client couldn't get a fair trial in Albuquerque because of the pretrial publicity.
In high-profile cases, there is far too much pressure placed on jurors to reach a particular verdict of guilty after you've had all of this immense publicity and pressure placed upon them.
But Judge Neil Candelaria disagreed, saying there was no proof the jury was unfair. The judge denied the request for a new trial, a relief for Deputy McGrain's parents.
Feel great. I think that's the right decision.
But Mitchell is expected to file a Supreme Court appeal.
That always concerns me. But we just have to keep our hopes up, that's all.
And if Astorga loses that, Mitchell plans to ask for a change of venue for Astorga's sentencing.
I should have won this case. It should have been an acquittal. Now, to ask me to go back in front of in the same county to the same people, again, I think is really unfair.
And Astorga's sentencing is scheduled for September 1st. A new jury will be selected a few weeks before that. Kim?
Okay, thanks, Maria. Now, Gary Mitchell is also expected to argue that the death penalty is not constitutional in this case since the governor abolished death sentences last year.